Hey, this is Ryan, and this is a overview of the Parati, I think I pronounced that correctly, Parati windshield wipers. And so I got the full set that includes the front and the rear. They all attach extremely easy, which is always nice because if you're not technically savvy, you don't have experience putting these things on and off, that might be helpful, or you can have somebody do it for you. But these, just from my personal experience, were real easy to take on and off. And so I want to share a couple different things. So the first thing is how easy, I was just pleasantly surprised on how easy these come on and off. There's a little clip, I don't know if you can see that, this little clip right here. You just dink and it comes on and off. And literally that's as easy as it is. I mean, super, super easy. Also, if your vehicle has this type, it's like a hook like this type, it comes with a couple different ways to mount it. And then it comes with these it's super easy. I mean, like the easiest of all easy that I've experienced, on how to put these things on and off. And so literally you just take this, and you can see it there's like a little hole there. And so you just take it, and I just slides in there. Snap that down. There's a little hook, like a little, you can see that. There's like a little gap right there, that this piece right here, and you just slide it in, and then that's it. As soon as I saw that, I was like, this is the wiper for me. But more importantly, you're probably thinking, like most people, as far as performance, and I don't know, where this might work as far as, different climates and conditions. All I can go is off my personal experience. It happened to rain today a little bit, and I can just tell you from my personal experience, there wasn't any streaking noise. Where it goes up and down and it sounds like it's vibrating, or it's making a squealing sound. These did not do that. Another thing is when there was water on the windshield, it didn't leave like streak marks. And so if you can see, it hugs the glass really, really good. And so that was a cool thing that I was pleasantly surprised. Just super, super nice. Good quality. It's like a good rubber quality. And so I didn't really, know what to expect, but I was, let's just say I was more than satisfied as far as how this is set up. So in my personal review of this, a win for me is it's easy to install, just for me personally. And then 2, it didn't squeak, it didn't leave streaks, and it seems, I've only had these on for a couple of days, but it seems like the quality is definitely good. So I'm optimistic these things are gonna last a long time. Hopefully that helps.